In this video, we're going to show you how to add money to Robinhood without bank account. There are a few ways to add money to Robinhood without a bank account. Robinhood allows you to link a non-Robinhood Visa or MasterCard debit card to your account and make instant transfers. However, there is a fee of 2.5% for instant deposits. Robinhood also accepts prepaid debit cards, but you cannot make instant deposits with them. Instead, the funds will be deposited into your Robinhood account within 3-5 business days. There are a number of third-party payment processors that you can use to add money to Robinhood without a bank account, such as PayPal, Venmo, and Cash App. However, these services may also charge fees. Please note that some of these methods may have additional restrictions or fees. It is always best to check with Robinhood or the third-party payment processor before using either of them. So that's how you can add money to Robinhood without bank account.